In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus audio not working. Let's get started. First, check the volume and mute settings. Make sure your TV, computer, or phone is not muted. If you are using Bluetooth headphones or speakers, disconnect and reconnect them. Likewise, restart Disney Plus. First, close the app and relaunch it. Likewise, while the video is playing, open the audio and subtitles menu, select a different language, then switch back to your preferred one. Give a fresh restart to your device. Power off your TV, streaming stick, phone or computer. Wait 30 seconds before turning it back on. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. A weak connection can cause audio issues. Restart your router if streaming is buffering or unstable. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Now go ahead and click on the option of Float app. Confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If only one movie or show has no sound, it could be a temporary issue with that specific stream. If Disney Plus works elsewhere, the problem is likely with your original device or app installation. Lastly, you can uninstall and reinstall the Disney Plus app. Press and hold on the Disney Plus app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus and then install it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.